55% and 63% or 62% of those that are included in this huge mumps outbreak actually did have their vaccines, according to this document. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Follow-up question to Senator Dahm.
Thank you, Mr. President. And I also see here that when it's talking about the MMR vaccination history, one of them it says that the number of those vaccinated was 53 or 55%, and the other it talks about that 358 or 62% of them had received the vaccination. Am I reading that correctly?
If you're reading off that piece of paper that I handed out, yes, that is correct.
On this document that was handed out by the senator from Oklahoma City, it has the number of people hospitalized due to mumps for the previous year and for this year. I see 7 and 3. Do we by any chance know the number of those people that actually it was ended in a fatality?
I do not believe there were any fatalities.
Senator Dahm, you're recognized for a question.
Thank you, Mr. President. I thought I was finished with questions, but in some of these answers, a couple other things popped up. So the member said that this does not deny access to public schools. So my question is, if the parent does not do this, their child would still be allowed to attend public school? Is that correct, according to the senator's previous statement?
The parents would have to watch the video to send their child to school.
Follow-up.
Thank you. And if the parent does not watch the video, would their child be denied access to public school?
They can still school at home if the parents don't want to watch the video. It's a 3 to 5 minute video to educate parents.
Follow-up.
Thank you. Again, so if a parent does not watch this 3 to 5 or up to 10-minute video, as it actually states in the bill that we're about to pass, if they do not watch that video, would their child be denied access to public school?
No, because they can be homeschooled or they can be virtual schooled, which is actually, I think, public school, I believe.
Follow-up.
Thank you for that. Yes, I keep emphasizing public school. So this would apply to charter schools, since those are public schools. Is that correct?
I believe it would.
Follow-up.
Thank you, Mr. President. So a student that is attending a virtual charter school from their home would also have to go through this process, or they would be denied access to that virtual charter school?
I believe a virtual school is a public school. So they would need to watch the video if they want to opt out of vaccinations.
Follow-up.
Thank you, Mr. President. Can you tell me, are there any other places in statute that we require someone to watch a video and sign a document like this before we grant them any government services?
I've been told there's a video that exists somewhere about abortion.
Follow-up.
I must not be clear in my questions. Before I was asking about public schools, let me again state it this way. Are there any videos and documents that are required to be signed before people have access to government services like this bill is dealing with? Not private services, government services like this bill would deny people.